Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni. The past weekend saw the businesswoman Mamkhize and her son Auntie Lempesane partying it up at Josephiso Garden in Kwagafontein, Mpumalanga. She was joined by socialite Kefile Mabote and others to enjoy a homecoming hosted by Bafana Sindani. Mamkhize posted a video on her Instagram account that highlighted what went down the entire night. She could be seen dancing and drinking. She hugged Mama Panther Paul Tusi, who was with Minnie Dlamini, but Minnie was weird AF. She was just kinda cold, and fans couldn't stop noticing Minnie's behavior towards Mamkhize. Mamkhize captioned the video, "This is how I wrapped up the weekend. Bafana, thank you for inviting me to your son's homecoming to not only witness his coming of age but also present him with a car that you bought for him. What a special gesture. The genuine love and support I received was nothing short of amazing. Thank you, Mpumalanga. We had a plenty of fun, but now it's time to get back on the grind." Is Minnie Dlamini trying to tell us something? Because wow, she looked so shady. Minnie Dlamini, tell us what's happening. We all wanna know. Are you beefing with Mamkhize Mogel? Another thing that was seen on the video is heavy bodyguard presence. People could not help but wonder if Mamkhize and her son Andile have beefed up security. The Mpesanas love the attention. I mean, look at these bodyguards. They are heavily armed. Like really. This follows after the drama they are embroiled in with Sitelo Shozi. I wonder what's happening right there between Mamkhize and Minnie Dlamini. Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.